In a major discovery that could redefine humanity's place in the universe, NASA has discovered the first extraterrestrial signals coming from Proxima b. Proxima b, a planet just 4 moons light from Earth, in the habitable zone of the star Proxima Centaurs. This discovery has caused worldwide excitement and curiosity, and many wonder if this may be the moment when man realizes that he is not alone in the world. NASA's powerful telescopes, which have long been scanning distant stars and planets for signs of life, discovered this by looking closely. Proxima b is a prime candidate for extraterrestrial intelligence because of its shape and proximity to the solar system. The observed signal is different and unlike anything astronomers have seen before. This is a turning point in human history. The methods are deep and confirm that life can exist in Earth conditions on other planets. There may also be signs from advanced civilizations capable of interstellar communication. Or are we dealing with intelligent people? What is most impressive about this sign is the recycling of the structure, which suggests an intelligent origin. NASA and international organizations are now working to clarify his comments and ideas, as well as theories that are circulating in the international scientific community. Is the sign a compliment, a warning, or something completely unimaginable? The discovery reached beyond the scientific community and sparked debate on social media, government debates, and dinner tables around the world. People looked at the stars with new wonder, wondering what the world looked like far away, and how their societies looked and differed in culture and technology. This analysis also raises ethical questions. If communication is truly intelligent, how will people respond? What media protocols should be in place for star communication? How can this discovery change our understanding of faith, life, and our identity as human beings? Despite the excitement, researchers are exercising caution. NASA and other space agencies will scrutinize the observations, making sure the positive signal is not false or misleading. Humans may be close to one of the most important discoveries in history, and every step must be taken carefully. This time we are united in desire and hope. While we wait for another survey, we may be on the verge of answering the age-old question. Are we alone in the universe? The search for life took a leap forward in April 2019 with the discovery of a radial signal from Proxima Centauri, 4.37 light-years away. Despite this distance, Proxima Centauri is our nearest star system. The signal, now known as Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1 (BLC1), was discovered by the Parkes Radio Telescope in New South Wales, Australia, a major achievement of the $100 million Breakthrough Listen project dedicated to the search for external communications. This signal could not be detected in the amount of data collected, but the researchers were able to identify it as a significant anomaly. It shows features that show a familiar origin, including a narrow frequency band and structural pattern. These are properties that are not created by the circumstances of the world. The signal was separated during a 30-hour observation and then determined to be from Proxima b, an exoplanet discovered in 2016. Proxima b has very similar features to Earth, 1.1 times the length of our planet's orbit and 1.3 times the mass. However, its proximity to its host star is closer than Earth's to the Sun, meaning it has less energy, putting it in the habitable zone. The discovery of this signal started the search for habitable planets. NASA's Exoplanet Archive now lists more than 5,000 confirmed exoplanets, including 65 new ones added this year. The James Webb Space Telescope, which is 100 times more powerful than before, played a major role in this research. Its powerful infrared network allows it to penetrate deep clouds and study young stars and planets, providing new insights into the conditions necessary for life. These advances in space exploration could unlock the mysteries of the universe and provide opportunities to find life on other planets. While we await a full analysis of Proxima b's signal, people continue to search and wonder if we will ever find a planet capable of supporting life. Will we ever find a world like Earth, rich in water and organic compounds? There's just as much potential in the world itself. This discovery extends far beyond mere scientific fascination. Its potential ramifications touch every aspect of human existence, from technological advancements to deep philosophical and spiritual considerations. If the signal from Proxima b is indeed proof of intelligent life, we stand on the precipice of a new era. But as humanity peers into the unknown, questions that once seemed purely speculative are now at the forefront of global discourse. Technological breakthroughs. The detection of an extraterrestrial signal represents a major leap in technological capability. Our ability to locate and analyze such faint signals from distant worlds showcases how far humanity has advanced in the fields of astronomy, radio technology, and artificial intelligence. Decoding an alien signal, if indeed it is one, would require technology we have only begun to develop. Communication with other civilizations would likely involve new forms of mathematics, physics, or other scientific principles that we may not yet fully understand. The James Webb Space Telescope, 100 times more powerful than any telescope before it, continues to play an instrumental role in detecting and studying such distant signals. With its advanced infrared capabilities, Webb is designed not just to capture distant light from stars and planets, but also to penetrate through cosmic dust and gas clouds to reveal the earliest stages of planetary formation. These insights are critical in helping us understand the conditions under which life might arise and thrive on other planets. Global cooperation and new alliances. The possibility of first contact would require an unprecedented level of global cooperation. No single country or organization could manage or interpret an extraterrestrial signal alone. NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and other space agencies are already collaborating with international research institutions and governments to ensure that the analysis of the signal is thorough, objective, and universally accepted. This cooperation may not stop at just the scientific community. Governments around the world are beginning to discuss the implications of the signal. How do we handle communication with an alien civilization? What protocols should be in place for peaceful interaction? And how do we ensure that humanity speaks with one voice in such an extraordinary situation? These questions will likely lead to the drafting of new international agreements, similar to the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, which sought to regulate human activity in space. Philosophical and religious implications. Perhaps the most profound aspect of the discovery is how it challenges long-held beliefs about our place in the universe. Religions around the world have traditionally placed humanity at the center of creation, viewing Earth as a unique and divinely inspired home for life. However, the discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth would force a reevaluation of such beliefs. Theologians from various traditions are already speculating on what extraterrestrial life could mean for their faith systems. For some, this discovery could be seen as further proof of divine creation on a universal scale, suggesting that life exists in many forms throughout the cosmos. Others might see it as a challenge to traditional doctrines, forcing humanity to reconsider concepts such as the uniqueness of human life, the nature of the soul, and the role of humanity in the grand design of the universe. The philosophical implications are equally profound. What would it mean for humanity to no longer be the sole intelligent species in the universe? Would we be seen as equals, or as lesser beings in comparison to civilizations capable of interstellar communication? The existence of a more advanced civilization could push humanity to rethink its definition of intelligence, progress, and even morality. Cultural and social shifts. The cultural impact of the discovery would be massive. From books to films, extraterrestrial life has long been a fascination of human imagination. Yet, those depictions have mostly been fictional. Now, the possibility of real contact with an alien civilization brings science fiction one step closer to reality. This could ignite a new wave of creative expression in literature, music, visual arts, and media, where artists explore the possibilities and challenges of interspecies communication and coexistence. In addition, social media is already abuzz with discussions about the implications of the signal. Some people express hope that contact with extraterrestrials could bring about a new era of peace and cooperation on Earth, while others fear the potential dangers of encountering a civilization that may be far more technologically advanced. Memes, debates, and even conspiracy theories have proliferated, adding to the mix of excitement, anticipation, and apprehension. Ethical dilemmas and security concerns. With great discovery comes great responsibility. Ethical concerns are already emerging about how humanity should respond if the signal is indeed from an intelligent civilization. Do we send a reply,